Pouring up that wok, cause I like it.
What up, boy? Okay.
Not gonna slide for real.
Okay.
Juice WRLD.
You not funny with my ass. Downtown. Dropping that bitch off, man. I love you. Don't piss me.
Pouring wacky in my cup. Yeah. Walking out the bank, we catching lacking, zip 'em up. 2 3s effing in, nigga better duck.
Hey, what's up, y'all, bro? We got 2 more days to go. It's nighttime. Thursday night, bro. 2 more days we drop the truck off. Some hot Cheetos. Yeah. Hey, one thing is the other. So today I went to AutoZone, got the grade 8 bolts. Oh yeah, I was supposed to order them bitches, but Traction Supply, they canceled it yesterday. So I can't order for anybody else, I just had to go pick it up. Luckily AutoZone got them. Came to Walmart, I'm at Walmart right now. Came to switch out my aux cord because it's been buffering and shit. Them niggas don't got no aux cord, so now I gotta go to Target. That bit probably gonna be like another $10, $15. Other than that, we chillin' though. I had cleaned out the truck today, load up everything up. It'll be a good day tomorrow. Alright, y'all, back at the crib. Got my aux cord. That bitch was like $20. I was like, what the fuck, nigga? Still got that bitch though. Now I gotta clean my truck out because it's dirty. I don't want a dirty truck. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Suicide doors, man. Not try. Got this bitch dirty as fuck. Y'all don't judge me, bro. You know the spindles right here, that Max Track. These like 4-inch spindles. Extended brake lines. Other shit in the room. But I didn't show this in the last video. Man, I just loaded everything on there, bro. I got this bitch loaded up. Got the headlights, struts, spindles, lights, brakes, this shit, Yukas. Man, I can't fucking wait, man. Got this bitch loaded up, man. I can't fucking wait. 2 to 3 days. Come on now. Come on.
Boy, where you going? Get chased in the night. 762 finna take that boy straight. Beam on the chai, he get stopped at the light. Switch on the Glock, he can't put up a fight. Bitch on the definition of a killer.
Alright, y'all boys. No, bro. I just got the tires in the truck now.
Me just got the tires in the truck.
Oh yeah, I called my niggas to help. You know what I'm saying? What up, boy? Okay. What up, boy?
IG _Maurice Butler
okay,
underscore.
I ain't got no
cut
car
the
yet.
chase, man.
You
It's 2
can't
o'clock
even
in
see
the
yourself.
it's
It's
2
too
o'clock in
damn
the
dark.
fucking morning.
Turn
2
the
o'clock in the
flash on.
fucking morning, bro.
Nigga, it's 7:30. Bro, I got these bitches loaded though. These bitches fat as fuck.
Slide for real, bro. You know we get.
Yeah, we slided for real.
Black tires in here, but these
Okay.
bitches not gonna slide for real.
Okay then.
Trying to tell you, look,
He keeps saying ain't gonna slide for real. We get the 26s though. Them bitches finna slide. Chrome. Thinking about hostels. And I got a new sticker. Hold on. With my name. But I think I fucked it. Oh shit, it's right here. It's small for now. I gotta order a new one.
Bro, you should even aiming the camera at the
Shit. Bro, come on, bro. I just started YouTubing, man. It's my second video, man. Right here. What y'all think? If I take all these off?
You gotta put the app, bro. You gotta put the app.
It's not my Instagram.
Put the app.
It's not my Instagram. Slide for real. I'm gonna put slide for real on the side, like, right here.
And the YouTube's one too.
I feel like I gotta go a little more, dude, for YouTube. I don't know. But yeah, take these stickers off. Definitely retint these bitches. Retint these. Tint these. Tint these. Man, he finna get a new truck hopefully soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know.
Maurice, I don't know what Maurice doing with his shit, but hopefully he do something. My nigga Tari gonna get a new car or truck one day. He's still thinking, but it's all right. So, yeah.
So come on. Listen, let me walk this way.
he gonna show his mama whip.
Hold on.
Nigga, ain't nobody finna scam him.
So we looking
So
at
what
a
you working with?
2018.
Oh, look at the pairs, though. Look at my uncle truck right there. Come on now, that's a bitch step right there.
This right here, 2018 Toyota.
Hey, Eddie, let us be.
Hey, all right. So I'm finna get this car sooner or later.
So on the front.
What the fuck is that? What is that? Who did that, bro?
I just not see that.
I swear to God, I ain't never seen that. Nah, it's fine. I don't make fun of people who get it wrecked, bro. I got in the wreck too. I ain't gonna lie. You did too. You fucked your shit.
I didn't get it right.
You still fucked your shit.
He caused it right though. He almost caused it right. Hey,
This nigga stuck on brakes. But
Look, everybody else was able to stop, but that nigga right there.
any proof, bro?
I hear Chris. I hear Chris before somebody hit me. I had a cap. My parents was right there. I had a cap, bro. I wasn't finna pay shit. Hey, you ain't finna make my insurance go up.
Man, fuck you.
But anyway, we finna go drop that bitch off.
Oh shit, I never closed this.
And this bitch finna be gone for 2 to 3 days. I'ma miss it, bro. One last take while it's stocked, though. One last take, bro. Damn, I'ma miss the stocky autos. Stocky autos. These hokey muds, I can sell these bitches real. It still got a little trail left. Man, I'ma miss this bitch, though. We on the come up, though. I ain't gonna lie. We still on the come up. Dropping that bitch off, man. Go. Shit. See ya. Bye, Prince. I love you. Don't miss me.
Juice WRLD. Bruh.
Alright, just come to the window.
Girl, you stupid as shit.
Bitch on the definition of a killer. We have emotion, nigga, know we dealers. We catch a body, nigga, know we pillars. I'm getting money, nigga, by my skrilla.
Got the happy feet on today. The happy feet?
I'm never fucking happy.
You not fucking with my happy feet?
Whoa.
What, nigga?
Not the dogs, man.
Not the what?
The dogs.
Oh, shit. Come here, nah. Come here. I got the toes out.
Bro, this is like the
Only engaged, bro.
Where AJ at?
What's up?
This nigga got the dogs out.
No.
G shorts? G shorts not that bad. They coming back though. I'm downtown. Downtown.
Mickey D's cup.
Cause he did what he did though. He covered his up.
You
see I wear no
see what I got
socks.
in my
man.
hand,
I
bro?
got
Look at this shit.
What the fuck is this?
It's the fucking McDonald's.
How you see what you do to the
Put
cup?
acid or something. Oh,
God, this was water.
See,
See, this is what happens when you get water. It's fake.
who the fuck gets water from McDonald's? Don't they got bottled water?
It's supposed to be free.
Let's see. Oh, this actually not bad. 314 for a kayak.
for a Pelican though.
Pelican's not good? Are they
It's
good?
just generic.
Just generic? I
Oh,
don't know shit about kayaks.
I mean, they straight.
They bit look nice though. I know that bit gotta be go for at least 6, 7. This only $450. That shit, man.
For the tag it.
Oh God.
Y'all slacking, man.
You know it's expensive. They don't want to show the tag.
Look, this was already 480.
480. These look ugly though. I ain't gonna lie. These bitches look ugly though. Oh yeah. I don't even fish.
Hey, bro, they got speakers over here.
Just for your boat.
I do need some PAs though. Real shit. Yeah, these are the PAs. Yeah, no, I ain't gonna get no PAs.
Hey, man, so this $30.
I mean, maybe if you want to catch some like surf fishing.
And they try to kick the black people out. That be like, oh shit, boy, shit, boy. Just got us in trouble. You cracked your shit?
That's when my phone cracking.
Oh, okay, okay.
Repeat,
You had that lock screen for about 3 years now.
6.
Adrian, please
Hey,
my
damn,
phone.
fam. We can change that on screen.
Please my phone.
That fake Autobox. Look at the Autobox. Walmart.
Look at this nigga, bro. This nigga's a real life NPC. I'm done, bro. Man, I just realized while I'm editing, I forgot to do an outro. So like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. If y'all fuck with me, let me know. Give me some motivation to post more so I can be consistent. I will not be uploading next week because I'm gonna be out of town for Thanksgiving. But I will upload the week after that. I'm gonna try to upload every week on Wednesday. But I know I'm not gonna be able to do it. It's gonna be hard to come up with videos, but y'all give me some motivation, man, so I keep doing this shit, bro. Let me know if y'all fuck with me. But I'm out. Peace. Video now.
On video, bro. On video.
Fucking man. It's really, well, I'm gonna be toting in a couple of years, man. Nigga try me on that truck meet, bro.
Gritty on somebody grave is crazy.
Real?
Black tires in here, but this
Okay.
bitch is not gonna slide for real.
Okay.